If I am working, I'm improving, you are working, you are improving, what problem for our future of the company? We don't have any problem for the future of the company, right? Even when you're getting old, 50 years old, 55 years old, sure, you martial art age is getting very old, you don't want to move, no problem. Take my more shop, this shop for you. You manage, you think, you check the profit, how much? Let's take profit, no problem. Better than our people, when you're getting old, this is one solution. Don't worry about the future, martial art, getting old, I don't have any position problem for my life. Don't worry about this. Plus for you already finished, plus at least enough for your family. Enough for your family, for your baby, for your children, for your life. That's enough. Okay, so this is what I think in my mind. I really, one thing I don't want when you guys to see boss eyes, I feel shame. When I see your eyes, when you see my eyes, I think much I'm so proud. I give so many people good life in Dubai. Money not so much important for me. I can bring you guys everybody good life. I'm so happy. More than I have too much money. Money in the bank is no use. Right? But give you guys good life, much less. Okay, so this is one thing from my part, from your part. You have to know yourself. You have to know yourself properly. To know your base properly. Now our life coming better year by year, right? Our income getting better year by year. We need to make our minds done, mashallah.